It's really so exciting for us to launch this program here at CT State Norwalk. It's the first of its kind in our region, and it really has been built on the feedback and the support of our business and industry leaders. So I'm really excited to launch this.
A program like this one, the Optics and Metrology program at CT State Norwalk, means that we're going to be training the next generation of workers in advanced technologies. They're absolutely vital to the way that our economy is evolving and to the technologies that are going to be made, invented, and that shape our lives, whether that's in the semiconductor business, whether that's in advanced manufacturing for aerospace, whether that is ultimately in quantum computing. Optics plays a significant role in that, and Connecticut has one of the most advanced economies in the world. Having an optics program like this is an important next step in training the workforce for tomorrow.
At CT State Norwalk, we are starting an exciting program that will be training students on how to fabricate optical components and also how to measure the fabricated parts.